vlogging my 3-day 2-night Genting Dream cruise.
Hello everyone! So this is a collaboration with Resort World Cruise with Durian BB.
I started off by taking the MRT to Marina South Pier. Once my reservation had been confirmed, I had been assigned a balcony stateroom with a room number. And you should always carry your access card wherever you go. The balcony room is quite spacious. What I like most is the room is equipped with multiple 3-pin plug which is compatible with my device. If you do not have a charging head, they have a USB point too. For this trip, I bring very minimum, just my dental floss, phone charger, and a couple of outfits with me, as all other necessities have been provided for. You can savor international delights from a lavish buffet to hotpot, Korean, Japanese, teppanyaki, halal, Indian food, and more. To check out the restaurant name and location, you can conveniently scan the QR code which is located around the ship. Within the app, you can even find the daily menu. After having our dinner, we are ready to leave Singapore. Genting Dream Cruise offers lots of indoor and outdoor activity. Besides shopping for handbags and watches, there's also the souvenir stores. When we are sailing, the outdoor activity or the sun is my best friend. The swimming pool, slide, and jacuzzi is the best way to enjoy life under the blue sky and ocean.
We saw some durian type of a tree, but why?
Just let your hair down and join in the fun to dance and marry. All your breakfast, lunch and dinner are covered. If that's still not enough, there's many other places for good food. For myself, I prefer the balcony room. Whether it's daytime or nighttime, I can enjoy the scenery, really relax to listen to the sound of the wave. The water from the tap are actually drinkable. If you prefer hot water, there's also a water kettle, a hairdryer and a mini fridge in the room. Each morning when I open up the curtain, I'm thrilled to look out my balcony, and I must say it's very shook to be surrounded by the ocean, sun or the moon. And you can see smaller ship or boat moving around you. If you manage to wake up earlier, you can even see the sunrise. And the buffet is very suitable to our Asian palate, which is why I always chiong for their buffet. And their menu changes every day. This is what we are eager to look forward to. And I'm sure there is something suitable for everyone. I wish I had a bigger stomach, because there are a few other mouth-watering dishes that we don't have the capacity to try. When you queue up for your dining, the staff will then assign you a table. So everything is very chill and you don't have to rush to book your table. My tips for buffet is to take a small portion of the food that you liked. Then try the taste and the texture, etc. If you really love it, you can go for round 2 or round 3 with a bigger portion.
So 45 minutes run show.
So we can provide you the materials. So basically you're gonna have to peel off some parts that you need to cover. So how to peel
Pardon
off?
me on the multiple food video, as I realized I really eat a lot during this trip. Now we go to the highlight of this trip, a durian feast at Port Klang, Malaysia.
Wow, there's a lot of food truck here. I mean, all lined up outside Klang immigration. And this is the place where we have a durian buffet. Hello everyone! So this is the collaboration with Resort World Cruise with Durian BB. What are we having today? Yay!
Featuring a varieties of durian for tasting, with the Musang King being my top pick. For those who love durian, I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss this out. Do note that the tickets are sold separately from your cruise package. This trip is damn worth it with endless servings of durian. can't wait to indulge. This is definitely a very well organized event with plastic glove, mineral water, tissue to coconut. All the details are well taken care of. Not to worry about those who do not want to attend the durian event. You are given a time period where you can explore other parts of Malaysia. During the evening time, we attended the live performance Heroes of the High Sea with Durian BB and Pin Pin being the mascot. Pin Pin is actually the mascot of Genting Dream cruise. The energy was exceptionally high, especially among families with kids. And of course, me as an adult, I also enjoy it a lot. Because not just the performance, there's also other games with the audience. Genting Dream delivers a tailor-made cruising experience, brimming with international adventure. So hurry, book your escape today with Genting Dream Cruise at rwcruises.com. Just sit back, enjoy and listen to the music. For those who prefer some me time, you can also catch a movie during the cruise. Discover Asia like never before with Resort World Cruises. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoy Genting Dream Cruise as much as I do.